Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why the body seems to lose its energy, strength, and youth as the years go by? What if aging isn't actually caused by getting older, but by something much deeper happening inside your cells right now? Scientists are finally uncovering a shocking truth that could completely change the way we think about aging, fatigue, memory loss, and even disease. Deep inside your body are tiny structures called mitochondria, often known as the powerhouses of your cells. And when they begin to fail, body slowly starts to break down. But here's the incredible part: new research suggests these tiny energy factories may not only be repaired, regrown. Imagine having more energy when you wake up, sharper focus throughout the day, stronger muscles, healthier skin, body that functions years younger than its age. Sounds impossible, right? Yet researchers around the world are discovering powerful ways to activate the body's own natural ability to rebuild mitochondrial health. The most surprising part is that many of these methods are completely natural and already within your reach. In today's video, we're going to uncover the real reason your energy disappears with age. Why damaged mitochondria accelerate aging faster than almost anything else. The simple habits, foods, and lifestyle changes that may help your body regenerate itself from the inside out. Some of these discoveries are so powerful that scientists are now calling mitochondria the true key to longevity and healthy aging. And trust me, one of the methods we'll talk about today is something most people completely ignore every single day without realizing how much it affects their lifespan. So if you want to protect your brain, strengthen your body, slow down aging naturally, and discover what modern science is finally revealing about cellular regeneration, stay with me until the end of this video, because the final insight could completely change the way you take care of your health forever. Most people believe aging simply happens because the body gets older with time. But scientists are now discovering that one of the biggest reasons behind fatigue, brain fog, and disease may actually begin deep inside tiny structures within your cells called mitochondria. These microscopic energy factories are responsible for producing almost all the energy your body needs to survive. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, movement, and even the repair of your cells depends on healthy mitochondria working properly. When these mitochondria are strong and efficient, feels energetic, focused, and resilient. But when they become damaged, the body slowly starts losing its ability to function at its best. As people age, mitochondrial function naturally declines. The body produces less energy, inflammation begins to rise, and cells struggle to repair themselves effectively. This is why many people notice they become tired more easily, gain weight faster, recover slower, and experience memory problems as they grow older. Researchers now believe mitochondrial dysfunction is closely connected to many serious conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, immunity, and accelerated aging itself. What makes this discovery so fascinating is that mitochondria are not fixed or permanent. The body is constantly replacing and rebuilding them based on how you live every day. Poor sleep, chronic stress, processed foods, lack of exercise, smoking, alcohol, excess sugar can severely damage mitochondrial health over time. On the other hand, healthy habits can stimulate the body to create newer and stronger mitochondria. This process is known as mitochondrial biogenesis, and it may be one of the most important keys to improving longevity, increasing energy naturally, slowing down the aging process from within the body itself. One of the biggest reasons people feel constantly tired, mentally drained, physically weaker as they age is because modern lifestyles quietly damage mitochondria every single day without most people realizing it. These tiny energy producers inside your cells are extremely sensitive to the choices you make daily. Certain habits can rapidly weaken their ability to create energy efficiently. Over time, this damage builds up and begins accelerating inflammation, cellular aging, and disease throughout the body. One of the worst habits for mitochondrial health is consuming large amounts of processed foods and sugar. Processed meals flood the body with chemicals, unhealthy fats, and excess glucose that overload the mitochondria and force them to work under constant stress. This increases oxidative damage inside cells, which slowly weakens their ability to produce energy properly. Excess sugar is especially dangerous because it creates inflammation and contributes to insulin resistance, both of which are strongly linked to mitochondrial decline. Physical activity is another major problem. The human body was designed to move. Regular exercise actually signals the body to create stronger and healthier mitochondria. But when people sit for long periods every day, chondrial activity decreases, energy production slows down, and muscles become weaker over time. Chronic stress also plays a destructive role, because elevated stress hormones can damage cellular function and increase inflammation throughout the body. People underestimate how deeply emotional stress affects physical aging. Poor sleep may be one of the most damaging habits of all. During deep sleep, repairs cells, clears waste, and restores mitochondrial function. Sleep deprivation disrupts these repair systems and leaves cells vulnerable to long-term damage. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, environmental toxins, even constant exposure to artificial light late at night can further weaken mitochondrial health and accelerate the body's aging process from the inside out. The exciting thing scientists are now discovering is that the body has an incredible ability to regenerate and strengthen mitochondria naturally when given the right conditions. Even though mitochondrial function declines with age, research shows that certain lifestyle habits can stimulate the body to produce newer, healthier, more efficient mitochondria. This process can improve energy levels, support brain function, reduce inflammation, potentially slow down many effects associated with aging. One of the most powerful ways to support mitochondrial regeneration is regular physical activity, especially exercise that challenges the body slightly beyond its comfort zone. Activities like walking, strength training, cycling, or workouts signal the body to adapt by creating more mitochondria to meet higher energy demands. Over time, this increases endurance, improves metabolism, helps cells produce energy more efficiently. Nutrition also plays a major role in mitochondrial health. Antioxidants help protect mitochondria from oxidative damage caused by stress and inflammation. Colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish and foods high in omega-3 fatty acids provide important nutrients that support cellular repair. Certain compounds found in foods like berries, green tea, turmeric, dark chocolate, and cruciferous vegetables may activate pathways linked to longevity and mitochondrial renewal. Sleep is another essential factor because the body performs deep cellular repair during rest. Quality sleep allows damaged cells to recover and helps regulate hormones connected to energy production and aging. Stress is equally important since chronic stress creates inflammation that can interfere with healthy mitochondrial function. Researchers are also studying the benefits of fasting and calorie control, which may stimulate a natural cellular cleanup process called autophagy. During this process, the body removes damaged cellular components and supports the growth of healthier mitochondria, helping cells function more efficiently and supporting long-term health and vitality. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable today, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because this channel is all about helping you understand how your body truly works so you can live longer, feel stronger, and take control of your health naturally. Remember, it's not just about the number of years you've lived. It's about the condition of the trillions of cells inside your body. And the good news is, your body is constantly trying to heal, repair, and renew itself when you give it the right support. The small choices you make every day, the foods you eat, the sleep you get, the way you move your body, and even how you manage stress, can either strengthen your mitochondria or slowly drain the energy from your cells. The exciting part is that science is now proving that it's never too late to start improving your cellular health. Your body has an incredible ability to adapt and rebuild when you begin giving it what it truly needs. So take what you learned today and start applying it one step at a time. Even small changes can create powerful results over time. If this video helped you see aging and energy in a completely new way, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.